Okay, friends, I am so excited to show you this. So I just got the heat press and I currently have all of these decals. These are called DTF, direct to transfer decals. And we're gonna press them onto tea towels. How cute is this? I got these images off of Etsy. I purchased them, so I didn't have to design them. And like I said, now I'm gonna cut them all out and put, oh my gosh, and put them on tea towels. Okay, so I got all my decals cut up. I've got them right here. These are so cute. I have some that are really beautiful sayings and whatnot. And then we have some really fun and sassy ones, like right here. And I've got my stack of tea towels, and you do not have to iron your tea towels before you press them. Here's the heat press. Got my paper. Let's get started on pressing tea towels. Okay, so I ended up moving my my heat press to a TV tray because it's just easier to work with it closer to the outlet. So anyways, I've got my tea towel right here. We're gonna lay this on to the styrofoam right here. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that everything is good. There, got it all out. Now, I do have a heat resistant tape, which is currently not here, but we're just gonna still go with it. I'm gonna center my decal on top of my towel, like so. We're gonna put the sheet over this, and then swing this around and press for 15 seconds. So now the timer did go off, so I'm gonna lift it up, swing this over, and I just wanna double check that it's pressed. So gently remove that. Like I said, I'm still pretty new to this, so I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna press it one more time. We're gonna do it for another 15 seconds. This is our second press. Let's lift it. Turn it over. Okay. All right, it's pressed. I'm gonna let it cool just for a moment, and then we're gonna take this off and then press it one more time without this sheet and just this. Okay, let's go ahead and pull. Look at that, how beautiful. All right, and the reason why we're pressing one more time is because Ninja Transfers recommended this step right here, so that's just what we're gonna do. And put that back on, and then let's do another press for 15 seconds. All right, it is done. And let me just say, I like the texture of this. I have purchased shirts with a transfer on it, and it's very like waxy, very stiff, very sticker-like. This is not. This is very soft to the touch, and I'm super excited about how these turned out, and I cannot wait to get these in my shop. I did do one of for my store logo. I can't wait to show you. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. I'm so in love.